Hello, and welcome to miniOrange. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication 2FA for your DNN site using the miniOrange DNN 2FA authentication provider. The first step is to download and install the DNN 2FA authentication provider. To do this, go to the DNN store and download our DNN 2FA authentication provider. Once you have downloaded the file, you will receive a zip file. After the download is complete, go to your DNN site and log in with your admin credentials. Next, hover over the settings icon and click on the extensions option. Then, click on the Install Extension button. Upload the zip file of the DNN 2FA authentication provider that you downloaded from the DNN store. Continue clicking Next until the Done button appears, and then click on Done. Now, under the Installed Extensions tab, select Authentication Systems from the drop-down menu. Click on the pencil icon and go to the Site Settings tab. Here, you will see the DNN 2FA authentication provider dashboard. We provide various authentication methods. You can configure these authentication methods using our DNN two-factor authentication provider. In this video, we are configuring Google Authenticator method. Remember, the configurations we are doing on dashboard is for testing purpose. For end user, we need to enable 2FA checkbox. To use Google Authenticator as your authentication method, you first need to configure it by clicking on the Configure button under the app Authentication. Then, select Google Authenticator by clicking the Configure button again. The next step is to register your device. To do this, either scan the QR code displayed on the screen using the Google Authenticator app or enter the provided secret code. After scanning the QR code, you will receive a passcode on your Google Authenticator app. Enter this passcode and click on Verify. Once configured, you will see a confirmation text configured appear next to Google Authenticator, indicating that the Google Authenticator method is set up successfully. To verify this, activate the Google Authenticator method. Now go to the dashboard and activate the Enable 2FA button. Log in to your DNN site again. At very first, the user would be required to scan the QR code and register with his Google Authenticator app in the 2FA registration process, and from the next logins they would be only prompted with a 6-digit TOTP. Once the passcode is validated, the user would successfully log in to your DNN site. By following these steps, you will successfully set up two-factor authentication on your DNN site using the miniOrange DNN 2FA authentication provider. This ensures an additional layer of security for your site. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at dnnsupport@securify.com.